Microsoft Surface Duo is finally going on sale. The dual-screen smartphone tablet goes on pre-order on August 12 and will appear on shelves on September 10 for $13.99. The Duo runs on Android 10 on dual 5.6-inch screens and uses a Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 processor, as well as 6 gigs of RAM. The device also has an 11-megapixel camera. The tablet has a fingerprint reader and works with Microsoft's Surface Pen. In these official promo videos, you see how Surface Duo uses Android apps on 2 screens. Clicking on a link on one screen opens an app on the other. You can also drag and drop from one screen to the other. The Duo's 360-degree hinge gives you a bunch of ways to use the device. You can hold it open like a book, with an app or web page on each screen. You can prop it up on a table like a tent. You can sit it down like a laptop using a keyboard on the bottom half. Or you can fold it up entirely and hold it to your head like a phone. While the Duo runs all Android 10 apps, Microsoft lets you pair apps which work well together and open them at the same time, like Teams and PowerPoint, or make an app span across both screens, like Outlook down here. We will be getting the Duo in a few weeks and give you more details then, so check back at PCMag.com.